Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. I've not been on here for ages, it seems, but today is the day we are going to do the live unboxing of our September subscription box. Now, we are a little bit later than usual, and if you are a member of our subscription box, you will know that we had to send the box in two parts this month, because one of the items, the main item, was so amazing, and there was just a slight delay on it, but as you will understand when you received it, there's just nothing we could do. We couldn't prepare that any sooner. So we did dispatch the box in two parts, which made it more exciting because that's two little surprises for you instead of one. So I'm Helen from Heritage Garden Seeds, for anyone who doesn't know me, and we have our monthly subscription box, which is designed to help you grow and enjoy your own delicious homegrown food all year round. We have been doing the box now for, is it just over a year now? And the feedback has been really, really incredible, and it's just so satisfying to know just how many of you I am helping to grow food in your gardens or allotments. And yeah. So let's just dive in. I feel like this is a bit of an impromptu live. I've just kind of taken a break in the weather because it's been absolutely pouring it down all week. And I'm just going to try and get it all done in the next couple of hours, get the sow-alongs done, and just hope that the rain stays away. Anyway, I'll stop waffling and let's dive in. I'm going to do part one first. So part one came in the little envelope. So let's open that. So if you haven't opened your box yet, please do turn this video off because, well, unless you don't mind surprise being spoiled, I will post this online so you can come back and watch it later. Hopefully you have received everything. So as always, we have our little welcome insert, and on the back of that it has the little QR code which takes you to our subscription box webpage. So I'll just read this one out. Both inserts were very, very similar, but obviously I couldn't really give part one. So the first one says, "Hi, welcome to your September subscription box, part one. Our goal is to help you grow delicious food year round. There is not a month of information about each variety. The QR code below will take you to a special webpage dedicated to your September box, and this is where you'll find information about your box, recipes, and of course our sew-along videos, which we will upload as we start sewing. This month we are growing food with a twist by embracing the magic of edimentals. Part two of this box will follow very, very soon, so you have another surprise to look forward to, and we promise it is worth the wait. Here's to gardens that look as good as they taste." So let's take a moment to ourselves, pour a nice cup of tea, and enjoy some seed sowing time. Your box is ready to open. So this month in part one, we had our lollipops, FSC lollipop sticks, which are your little plant labels. We had our lovely cup of pucker tea, which is elderberry and echinacea this month. And then we had 2 packets of seeds because we do have another main item. So this month we had echinacea and viola. So I know usually we do like traditional vegetables. I do usually try and find some really cool varieties for you for the box. And I try and do different things to what is on the website, so you do get something unique and special. And obviously, if you've been following me along this year, you will know it has been quite a challenging year with the whole organic thing, which we're just not going to talk about anymore. So I thought we deserve some flowers. And obviously, if we're going to put flowers in a vegetable box, they're going to have to be edible. Which is why I've got the echinacea and the viola. So it is like a double whammy. So you can use them in your gardens to make them look pretty, but you can also eat them as well. So then we get our little insert. So we've got the echinacea and the viola, and so it gives you a bit of information about the variety on the front, and then on the back we have our sowing and growing instructions. So we will read those out to you. So every garden needs echinacea. With its pinky purple petals and striking spiky cone, echinacea is a magnet for bees and butterflies. It has long been valued for its medicinal qualities. I think I've come back. I'm going to just rewind. I didn't quite notice when the connection left, so let me just rewind a second. So every garden needs echinacea. With its pinky purple petals and striking spiky cone, echinacea is a magnet for bees and butterflies. It has long been valued for its medicinal qualities, most famously for supporting the immune system, and today we love it just as much for its beauty. It originates from North America, where it was traditionally used by Native American Indians to treat everything from wounds to respiratory infections. And not only is it a stunning ornamental, it's edible too. The pretty petals can be used to garnish salads or infuse syrups and teas. Plant echinacea in drifts so that they can sway gracefully in the breeze and add an elegant rhythm to borders or your veg plot. Did you know the name echinacea comes from the Greek word echinos, which means sea urchin, no doubt due to its spiky cone. So I'm really, really excited to grow this. I did grow some of this last year from seed and it did really well. So I'm excited to share that with you all. And then we have our viola heartsease. So known by many names, heartsease, Johnny Jump Up, Love Lies Bleeding, Wild Pansy and more, this pretty little flower carries centuries of beauty, history and folklore. Violas have been cultivated in England since the 1800s and can be traced back to ancient Greece. Its heart-shaped leaves were once linked to heart health and it found its way into love potions and herbal remedies. Infusing the leaves for tea was said to heal a broken heart, giving rise to the name heartsease. Tougher than they look, violas can withstand snow and frost, bringing colour to even the coldest months. I love growing them in winter hanging baskets where they spill gently over the edges and brighten the garden on gloomy days. I think these are like my favourite winter flower. They're just so delicate and pretty. And you can just grow them all year round, which is amazing. Their delicate flowers are edible too. Sprinkle them over salads and desserts or drop them into a glass of something sparkling for an elegant flourish. This perfect little edible flower that can survive winter, lift the spirit and turn everyday moments into something special. So I hope you are pleased with your seeds this month. And then to the main event. So I've just to avoid wasting, packaging, I've not put this one in a box for me. Obviously you all received a large box. So this is what we got. We got our nice little cotton bag with, inside we had saffron crocus. So really, really excited about that. So let me just open that up and show you what we got. So this is what your saffron crocus look like. Obviously there are a lot more than that in the bag. So let me read out the insert. So the saffron crocus is the crown jewel of the edible flower world. Each saffron flower opens up to reveal just 3 vivid red threads of saffron, which must be harvested by hand. It is the world's most expensive spice, quite literally worth more than its weight in gold. So I'm so excited about this one, and I hope you guys are too. So for thousands of years, saffron has been treasured in kitchens and apothecaries alike, lending its warm aroma, distinctive flavour and golden hue to many dishes from Persian stews to Spanish paellas. Just a few strands can form a simple recipe into something truly extraordinary. These hardy little culms will return each year, often multiplying to give you more precious saffron over time. Perfect in pots, borders and even your veg patch. The saffron crocus is ornamental and productive. What could be more magical than planting a flower that transforms a bare patch of soil into a treasure trove of pure luxury? So I've been really, really excited about this box. Like I say, I know it's a little bit of a twist on the normal boxes, but it still fits the brief because it's still growing your own food. So I hope you guys appreciated this one too. Like I say, I've been excited about it for a few months, and it's just nice to do something a bit different, isn't it? And I think we all like to have some flowers in our garden, and if they're edible too, then that is just even better. So I hope you have all enjoyed watching this unboxing video. Please do let me know if you have any questions at all, and if you are interested in joining our monthly subscription box, normal veg service will resume in October. We have sold out of our September box, so I will be updating the numbers for October in just a few days, but spaces are really limited, so do keep an eye on the website for when those become available if you want to join along. And like I say, the goal of the box is to help you grow and enjoy your own homegrown food all year round. We give you recipes, we do monthly sew-alongs, and I'm just always on hand to help you in your growing journey. I've had so much good feedback, so many people saying that I've really helped them to grow food this year, and it just makes everything worthwhile. So once again, I am sorry that you had to just wait that little bit longer this month, and I'm sorry it came in 2 parts, but like in a way it was like you got double the surprise. So I am thrilled to bits with the box this month. I hope you guys are too. And so I'm going to go and run along and record the sew along videos before the rain comes this afternoon, and I am going to speak to you all soon. But it's nice chatting to you, and yeah, I'll speak soon.